Hi, this is Greg Lowe. This is another tool in the SDU Tools series. This is called List Potential Date Columns by Value. In last month's tools, we had a tool called List Potential Date Columns. And what that did is it went through and looked at columns that were defined in the database with a name that said date, but then the data type was a date time. So it was a simple look at the name and try and work out if that really should have been a date. But sometimes what we want to do is a much more intrusive or intense thing. And so what this option will do is this will go through every column which is defined with a date time or date time 2 and so on, and find whether or not there are any entries in it that have a time component. So what this will do is find any columns that have been defined that way but clearly are only being used to hold dates. So let's take a look at this. In the Wide World Importers database, there are a few in this case, in the data that we generated, and what you'll find here is that the application schema, we have a cities archive table. It's got a column called valid from, which is date time 2/7, but there are no time components, only date components stored in that column. And same for all the rest of the columns defined here. We hope you find this tool useful. For more information on SDU Tools and for a link to download them, please visit our site at www.sqldownunder.com.